Hey guys, Jennifer here. I am thrilled to be with you here in this month of September. Are you ready for the monthly inspiration? I sure hope so. All right, take a deep breath in and give me the next 10, 11 minutes and we will talk about this month's inspiration. First of all, let's look at the month of September. The energy for September has a couple of different focuses that will help you achieve spiritual growth, slowing down, and really tuning in to your higher self. And for that reason, this month in the membership, our live class will be focused on building the awareness of our higher self. When we do that, that's really how we begin to bring energy and power, feeling alive and feeling fulfilled in our life. So one of the two things that you can think about this month is, are you ready to be your most authentic self? Are you ready to step into growing in a way that really fulfills your soul? So when we look at the 9 energy, 9 is the month of September. 3 things that you can consider may help you. One is just the idea of being of love and service. When we are in that action of being in love and service and random kindness, also being able to love the unlovable. These things are techniques that we can really feel the best of our vibration. So think about what really speaks to you. Love and service. Do you feel better when you're giving? Is it being able to love the unlovable? I always think about people loving the underdog or being compassionate and giving people second chances. Also, forgiveness. And when we look at forgiveness, we can always think of that as the fuel of love that heals broken hearts and so much more. So the 9 energy does allow you to use all the energy of all of our numbers, but it really focuses on completion, perfecting our knowledge. So if you come to class this month and focus on your higher self, or you listen to the replay, you're doing the exact thing that's going to help you really step into being that true light and shining energy that your soul is. Right? So if that resonates you, pick 1 or 2, which one? And I always like to write things down. I use these little cards and I have them in different places. Like mine says, I'm committed to living in my genius zone now and forever. And my genius zone for me, and everybody's got a different genius zone, but mine is when I am sharing heartfelt information with others that help them grow, feel better, and heal. And for me, that's where I feel the best in serving you. Now, the other energy that kind of comes in this month, and they're both spiritual energies. So we have the universal energy of the month, which is the 7, right? So we get that because it's a 7-year, right? So a 7-year is, then we just take each of the months. January is an 8-month, 9-month, 10-month. Okay, you can just go with me. Just know that there's 2 energies that prevail this month that really promote spiritual growth. One is the 9 energy and one is the 7 energy. We get that by the 9 plus the 7 equals 16, which is, this is, the 7 month. It's the September. So one of the things that you can think about with the 7, it is the spiritual sage number. Now, both of these energies that are present for you and for all of us is we can trust more on intuition than on logic. We are closer to the spirit realm, which means we are more open to the energy sort of opens up in the spirit realms to allow us to access it with ease. The other thing is, because the 7 energy likes to slow down right? It likes to really communicate from your soul. It is a month that allows things to slow down, to understand things at a deeper level, and things like, what's your higher purpose, right? And these are the things we're going to talk about in Being Our Higher Self in class. So I know I got my numbers all mixed up there for a second. So just know that this is a 7-month. We take the 9 plus the 7 year. Sorry, I was wanted to get that straight in case anybody's checking. So we have a universal 7 year, and then we get that by 2023. Then we take the 7 year plus the number of the month, right? Which is 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 and 6 equals 7. So even if you don't follow numerology very much, you're going to feel this month that you're going to want to ask those deeper questions. What really makes me happy? What's my purpose here? You're going to find yourself going deeper into wanting to spend time alone, to really be more calm, to really feel more connected to spirit. So whatever does that for you, whether it's nature and walking, whether it's meditating, whether it's journaling, whether it's just staying very aware of the present moment, because you guys know that when we work on our higher self, part of that is that we become acutely aware of the moment. All right. So take which one speaks to you. Both of them actually support each other. So your inspiration this month is get into spirit. Get into spirit. This month actually allows you to be in your most spiritual space. You can do that through action by being of love and service, random love, random acts of kindness. You can also begin to forgive yourself and others. This is where we embody those emotional feelings of letting go. The other piece is meditation, a deeper calling, more of a fulfilled purpose through spiritual understanding and being. All right. So